What are you talking about? AI? What's that?
So AI is short for artificial intelligence. So it's kind of like having like 100 millions of people doing one task for you, and they do it so fast, like in a breeze, right? So that's what AI is all about. It's a set of technologies that help you get things done in your business a lot faster, with more precision and more effective. That's
So,
what AI is all about.
so I have a home care agency. Can I use that in my home care agency to be more efficient?
Yes, of course you can use it. And we put together a workshop so that we can teach home care agency owners exactly how to use AI in their agencies so that they can be more effective, they can get a lot more done in a short period of time, and they can save money as well by using AI. So the workshop is a 5-day workshop. It's at night, it's virtual, so you can do it from the comfort of your home, your office, and it's late in the evening, about 8 p.m. Eastern time. And there's a link. Actually, there's a link. Click on the link and join the workshop so that you can apply that technology in your home care agency, save you a whole bunch of time and money, getting more done in a short period of time, more precision, more effective, all over your home care agency. Can't wait to see you. Click on the link.
This sounds like a game changer. I'm gonna sign up right now.